Jackie, I guess you're going to the concert with us.
I can't wait. So, Michael, can we go back to my house and listen to Ted Bunyan records?
Sure.
Okay.
You kids have fun.
Oh, they're so darn cute. When you turn your back, they go at it like dogs.
Ooh, they're frisky.
You can't leave them alone.
No. My sister thinks that we shouldn't be left alone.
Us? We're alone now.
Well,
Eric, relax. We've lived next door to each other forever. You could have me when I was 4.
really? And there I was all day long on the hippity hop. Stupid. Stupid.